Hi guys, it's ABC Home Expert and we're back with another video. Today we're showing you guys another one of our finished projects. This project has a lot of whimsy and traditional elements, so we're really excited to show you guys how it turned out. If we take a look at the throwback pics of what the house used to look like, we can see that these classic hardwood floors were nailed down. Now if you didn't know, nailed down floors can be quite squeaky. Plus, when we removed this flooring, we found out that the base of these were in really bad shape. But we patched it up and replaced it with these vinyl planks in this sandy brown color, and it really does light up the house. We also changed up the stairs in this house by replacing the old carpet with the same flooring as the rest of the house, to make it cohesive. We also switched out the railings to these bolder black steel beams. Moving on to the bathrooms. We were able to work on two of the bathrooms in this house. The first one is the upstairs bathroom, which we didn't change any of the placements of the plumbing fixtures, but we did transform it into a completely different look. So instead of a typical vanity, we went with these silver supports to reveal the bottom half of the sink. We also added these trimmed panels for the bottom half of the walls in this grayish mauve color. We replaced the bathtub with a walk-in shower that comes with a bench and a niche. We combined these small black square tiles for the shower floor with these light pinkish rectangular tiles in a vertical stack. The second bathroom is located on the first floor, and it features these light gray and white tiles that's used on the floor and the walls of the shower area and around the perimeter of the room. Our customer loved the combination of this burnt orange color with these tiles, so we decided to make this bathroom a statement piece. We went with gold for the plumbing fixtures and hardware to tie the room together, and we went with this dark rich brown for this freestanding vanity. This bathroom is right next to the kitchen. We expanded this kitchen by using the old dining room as an island and putting additional kitchen appliances like a sink, stove, and oven to the other side of the room. We also got rid of this dividing wall that separated these two spaces. My favorite thing about this kitchen is how we use the white Millennium cabinet doors as panels to cover the dishwasher as well as the fridge. It makes the kitchen look so tidy. If you take a look at the countertop, you'll notice that we used two different colors of quartz. One is this solid dark gray that has a matte texture to it, and the other is the shiny white with gray veining that we use for the island and for the range hood. This combo turned out to be beautiful, and it really combines both of the spaces together. We added our classic rollouts next to the stove to make cooking so much easier. We have the spice rack on the left and the utensil rack on the right. We used glass panels on the longer cabinet doors so that our customer can display decorative items on the inside. And we used these white shiny subway tiles for the backsplash. Then we dressed up this kitchen with gold hardware. And that is the end of our tour. We hope that you guys liked how our project turned out. Be sure to like this video and tell us what you think down in the comments below. If you're looking to do a renovation in your home, you can start by calling ABC Home Expert to help you get started at 224-442-4663. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.